Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the disk usage and traffic limit or notification for single subscription in Plesk. So this is the Plesk official website. This is the support page. So the question, how to change the disk usage and traffic limit, how to change off single subscription, off only one domain, and for only one website, and so on. So here we go. So this is the answer. There's a note here. If you're a domain owner and need your disk space to be expanded, contact your service provider for assistance. So here we go. The first step, you can go to the subscription example.com and customize. Here we go. And on the resources tab of this customizing subscription, set up the value of the disk space or traffic limit, then click update and lock. In case of changing subscription limit, the subscription will be locked from synchronizing with its service plan. Here we go. Changing this disk space or traffic for all unlocked subscriptions that are assigned to particular service plan, you can go to the service plan, service plan name, resources tab, then set up the value for disk space or traffic, then click update and synchronize. So feel free to try to change the disk usage and traffic limit or notification for a single subscription in Plesk. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll click thanks button below. See you in the next video.